Hello guys, Tiago Gomes, the creator of Hellphior Games here, and today we are here for the number 11 devlog of Water Polo. Right away I have to say that I'm sick, so sorry if I'm coughing or drinking water or my voice is a little bit strange, but yeah. So I have a lot of things to show you. As you can see, we already changed the loading screen, the characters, so our players changed a little bit. I did a little draw in the ears, so the ear protection needed to be a little bit how can I say, better. And we finally have a face on our players. Yeah, everyone has the same face, but it's better than nothing. Like before, we had on the players only with something close to one eye, and now is fine now. Now I think it's better. So let's play and show you what is different. What is different? So we have this loading menu, loading screen. Everything now is shaped to all the screen sizes. Okay, so there are a tool very useful in here that you can choose when you are doing games for Android. So you come here and you are doing games for Android. You have this option to use the simulator. The simulator have like a lot of screen sizes, and you can try it out in different phones. So to see if what you want to show in your game you can see in other screens. So that's it. Let's change to game, and we have this new title. Of course, the difference is just the players that are all different, and we have a credit section where I will put all the patrons that are helping. Of course, a special thanks to everyone that I need to give him to give a special thanks. And as you know, as I told you, I'm gonna do a crowdfunding, and everyone that is gonna help me on the crowdfunding, of course, gonna be here. Okay, so if you help me with like with money on the crowdfunding, you will have your name here and other options, but you will see on the crowdfunding. So we have this extra credit section with different flags here. Okay, when we go to exhibition, we have that flags, but different ones, so different countries. Okay, we have a settings menu. It's just for make sure that we have the volume as we wish. Okay, we have to click save, and yeah, the volume is down. The quit button, of course, and when we press play, we have a tutorial section now, and of course we to play to go to the exhibition menu. So I'm gonna show you the tutorial. The tutorial just plays a video to explain how can we avoid making a own goal so you don't score a own goal. Okay, just need to jump over the ball, that's it. I'm gonna change this and you will understand why, because everything changed on the buttons. Like I have another button, but you'll see. So yeah, this is just a video playing here, and I think it's pretty nice to, it's a very simple tutorial, very easy to understand. As you can see too, we have already an audience on our game. Yeah, but we'll get there. So we have other flags here. I think it's pretty nice. We can change like before. We have all the caps, everything, players with faces. It's pretty nice. You press play, and we are going I'm gonna tell you something. So of course, with the title changing, the players changing, in here the title has changed too, of course. we have the audience finally done. Okay, so we have different we have like different colors in the audience. I'm not gonna make the colors match with the national team that we are playing. Okay, it's very difficult. Not that difficult, but I don't need it. I don't think it's necessary. So yeah, that's it. We have the pause menu that I have to change. I want to change the pause menu because yeah, we have the same symbols here. It's not very attractive. I'm gonna make it simple, but a little bit better. Okay. So, and we have a new ball. I created this ball. Is inspired, of course, on the Toy Story ball. I don't know if you know the Toy Story ball, but Toy Story is a movie. They have like 3 movies or something, and this is a ball that is always on the movie. So yeah, I think it's nice. So I added this ball. We have the other 3 balls, and the 3 backgrounds still the same. And I added another button here. So a friend of mine gave me the idea to try to make something different in the gameplay to make it like more attractive. So when we press this button, and we of course we can only press this button when we are close to the other player is gonna jump back, okay, and is gonna be knocked out. So it needs to wait 3 seconds to start playing again, okay. So it's good to like knock out the other player and shoot to be easier to score, okay. So I'm gonna try to show you how that works. Let's just change things here. I'm gonna make the ball disappear. I'm gonna go closer to the enemy. So when we are very close to him, you can press this button and it makes a sound and is knocked out. What happened to the player? You'll see that the script is disabled when we press the knockout button. Watch. After 3 seconds, it's gonna pop up again. Yeah, and it's active again, so we can start moving again and reach the ball. Okay, so that's the idea, and I think it's nice. It's nice. Let's just make the sound higher so you can hear the sound of the hurt. Let me see. Settings. Put the volume up. Yeah, something that I need to change is I need to put the settings options on the pause menu too. Yeah, I need to do that too. Let's make this really high. And let's play. And we are close to him. You heard the sound? Let me... You suck. Okay. Close to him. He's knocked out for 3 seconds and then he can start to play again. As you will see. It's playing fine. So other thing that I need to show you is sorry, when we change the size of the screen, and this happened to my mobile phone, when we are playing on my phone, I can see more than just this. So I can see more to here. I can see a little bit of this. Okay, that happened to bigger screens. So like this one, and I added this rope in here, and this is, I don't know how to say in English, but basically something that is making the rope going to that direction. I don't know, it was my idea because we have a invisible wall here and here. So my idea was, okay, let me put one rope here, so when we are playing on a bigger screens, the ball is not gonna like crash with the invisible wall. It's gonna crash on this rope and it's going down like before. So that was my idea, and I think it's fine. I think it's nice for the people that are for the people that are playing on a bigger screen is gonna think, oh, why the size of the field is not bigger? Why I have the goals uh, like uh, like here? Why they are not more to the left, more to the right? Because they are interfering with the field size, and that's why that happened. I don't know why the pause menu button is here. It should be down there. Okay, I discovered something that is wrong. Maybe, yeah, I will change it later. I probably know the reason, but let me see. If I change to another, is staying there. Whoa, we have no pause. Okay, that's strange. I need to clear to make it clear. Okay, so then these are the big changes on the game, and I think and I changed the button here of the shooting. I just deleted the little man that was here. I think it's fine, right? This like this, and we have the we have the we have the tutorial now that can explain the buttons very easy, so I think it's fine. uh, I just need to make a little bit more changes, as I told you, and I'm gonna start creating the crowdfunding campaign. Okay, I hope you guys that are watching this can help in some way, or just download the demo, because what I'm gonna do is make sure that we have the game on the Play Store. It's the first thing, and you'll have a demo that you can try, and you can help on the crowdfunding too while I'm finishing the game. The objective is, when I release the game, the full game, we have a tournament menu, as I told you, and another game mode that is basically with abilities. We'll have abilities that we can kind of collect while we are playing, and we'll make the size of the goals bigger. We'll make our players to be bigger or smaller, the balls smaller or bigger, faster, etc. So it will be very, very nice, especially for the water polo players and lovers. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed this devlog. One more, not the last one, I think, because we have a lot of things to do. But still, yeah, that's it. So I see you guys on the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.